Hey, how's everyone today? Little unboxing. My latest purchase from Hornby. They like to send me discounts in my email. That's probably because I signed up for their newsletters and everything. So, I mean, it's not all the time, so I probably shouldn't say always, but it's relatively often. It makes it worth getting stuff from them. So, to me, I found this thing here so ugly, I had to have it. It's just like, no pun intended, but a train wreck. I just can't stop staring at it. It's the Hush Hush before it got the rebuild, and this is the steam generator version. But you know, the look of it's, I imagine it'll grow on me a little bit. All right, let's get it out of here. I find the steam generator on my Flying Scotsman works really nice. So this one should work good too. Although sometimes they suffer the same thing as oil smoke generators. They get bubbles and stuff, but I mean, nature of the beast, eh? So it's not nothing too crazy. It's like some kind of battleship gray or something. And it just got released not too long ago. Oh, there's the smoke fluid thing. Smell, fill it up with water and then put the water in it, and then away it goes. I got some extra parts to put on. Super cool. I like putting on parts. Let's get it out of here. Get that out. These are pretty fun. Anyone that watches my videos or my live streams see me have the Scotsman going a few times. Kind of cool looking. Let me just move that plastic out of the way. I can hold it in one hand here. This isn't going to be really a detailed video or anything. We're just going to have fun with it. And I definitely got to let it have a break-in period. What an interesting looking thing. That is interesting. Interesting locomotive. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it at all. Really interesting. I definitely like the look of the rebuild Hush Hush better, but this is kind of cool. That's got interior details, not too bad on it. Like I say, not a detail video, but I mean it's not bad. It's got detail. That is cool. Huh. I'm not really going to like I say, not going to go into the detail a whole lot, but it definitely needs it'll definitely need a break-in period. Here, let me get the camera off here. We'll just take a close there. I'll get a look at it from here. Yeah, it is pretty cool, isn't it? Interesting looking dude. Very interesting. I got a KD coupler for it and everything. Get that on there. Then we'll get it ripping. All right, just bear with me 1 second. I will clear the track and get it going. All right, it should be factory set to address 3. Let's see. Power this thing up. Ooh, there we go. Might take a couple laps for the steam generator to kick in. All depends. There it goes. It was going there for a second. Okay. Okay, it might take a moment. We gotta get it going. There we go. I don't know how to get that hiss sound going. Like, make it going. What is that? There we go. That was a little annoying at first. I can see the smoke, but the camera's definitely not picking it up. Interesting looking thing. Yeah, I don't get it. It's just certain light in the videos, it does not pick up the smoke really well. The same thing with my other locomotives that have smoke units. There, you can kind of see it going. Cool looking thing. I'm gonna call it Fugly. The Fugly locomotive. But it is fugly in a cool way. There we go. See some smoke. Yeah, it's going. It's going pretty good. I'll let it have a good break in. Just let it rip around. Oh yeah. Just chug along. I'm definitely going to have it on the live stream soon. I'm going to live stream shortly, and we're just going to let this thing break in. Oh, look at the smoke just puffing out. Look at it go. Yes. All right, I'll end the video because I'm going to get a live stream going. But it's going to be fun running it tonight. All right, everyone, take care. Have a good one.